Hi, I'm Louise and I'm doing a review of this Fridgemaster fridge freezer. We've been using it now for about a week and so far so good. We really like it. It fits into our kitchen. We had to do a little bit of carpentry for the cupboard at the top, but it's fine now and it fits perfectly. I'm not too sure about the black, as it does reflect, you can probably see it does reflect lights and things a lot, which takes a little bit of getting used to when you've not had that before, but it's fine. It looks lovely. As you can probably see, it's got a water dispenser on it. I'll come to that in a minute. So the top half is the fridge, which is a lovely size, great for my family because I've got teenagers who don't stop eating. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, which are actually quite deep. You can't really see on here. You can see all my healthy food, not. You can get an awful lot in this fridge, which is great for me. It's got only one. My previous fridge had 2 drawers in it, but having said that, this drawer holds an awful lot. It's quite deep and you can get, as you can see, an awful lot into it. So the fact it's only one drawer isn't actually a problem. On the door, which if I go back a bit you might be able to see, there is plenty of storage space. There's the 4 shelves, loads of room for eggs at the top. Got 2 little egg trays there. Plenty of room for storage in the door for your tall bottles at the bottom there. This is the water dispenser here. So we fill this up probably every couple of days with water. You put the water in here, so that's quite easy, though it does tend to splash a little bit. You have to be careful. One criticism was that when we came to assemble this, getting the lid on this water dispenser was quite tricky. We had to remove this shelf, and trying to get this on to fit properly was quite hard. We've not cleaned it yet, so we've not come to take it apart again, but I envisage this will be tricky again to get on. Having said that, it takes very little room, which was a concern of mine. It doesn't take any room away from the fridge at all. So that's the fridge. The freezer in the bottom is only 3 drawers. However, this worried me a little bit as well, having had quite a large freezer before. Again, you can't really see on the video, but the drawers are actually very deep and you can get an awful lot of food in here. So I've got 3 drawers, all, as you can see, there's a lot in there, and in fact the bottom drawer, which is the bit deepest, isn't even full, so ideal for a family. So there we go. The water dispenser on the outside is here, obviously with the compulsory bottle opener. There is a lock, which I don't know if you can see. That's great because we can lock it so you can't dispense the water. Water does tend to just collect in the bottom there, so you just need to be aware of that. Overall, having been a bit dubious about having a water dispenser, having never had one before, I'm thrilled with this fridge. It does what it says on the tin. It looks nice and bright. I'm not sure about the reflections. That, as you can see with the video, things reflect. But overall, I'm very, very pleased with it. I've never had a Fridgemaster freezer before. I hadn't even heard of them. However, it's great, and I would recommend it. It's very roomy, plenty of room inside, plenty of room in the freezer. The shelves are nice and deep, and lots of room on the shelves on the door. I would recommend it. Thank you. Bye bye.